Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 53 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. We are continuing our January theme of warm and warming cocktails. Tonight, we will be doing a take on an old fashioned where we will warm it up for the winter by removing the simple syrup and adding Benedictine. This cocktail is the Monte Carlo. Let's get started making it right now. This is typically a rye-based drink, but you could use a high rye bourbon. Tonight, we're using the Bardstown Bourbon Company Origin Series Rye. We use 2 full ounces of this. One of the things I like about the Bardstown, it is a 95.5 rye. It is finished in very interesting barrel with cherry wood. Next, our Benedictine. Please check out the YouTube description where I'll tell a little bit about the history and some interesting facts about this Benedictine. For now, understand that it is an amazing, herbal, complex, honey-noted liqueur that is going to be just fantastic. We're using 1/2 ounce of the Benedictine. And that is really all of the spirit that will go into here. We will use 2 different bitters. We'll use the Angostura Aromatic bitters, 1 dash. And to bring that whole wintry feel in, we will be using 1 dash of the Cardamom bitters. Give that a light stir. We will add ice, and then we will stir this for about 20 seconds. It doesn't require a lot of dilution. And I will shorten that for you and be right back. Looks good. We have a rocks glass with a nice block of ice in here. We will strain our cocktail right into that glass, right over the ice. Almost ready. Also, to bring some brightness to this, it's very kind of alpine and winter feeling right now. We will use a lemon peel. Nice piece of lemon here. Spread some of those oils over the top. And I do like to leave the lemon in. I like that extra note of lemon in the cocktail. So we will definitely do that. The nose is bright lemon, cardamom spices. It almost smells like a bit of cinnamon in there, maybe an herbal tea. Cheers to the Monte Carlo. That is rich, silky, almost velvet tasting in your mouth. I'm getting hints of toasted oak and even some cherry notes from that Bardstown rye, which is fantastic. Other notes that you would probably get in this cocktail include, and I smell it too, the clove, honey, and this herbal tea. A lot of that is coming from the bitters and the combination of the Benedictine and the rye. And as I allow the finish to really just rest, it's a little dry, almost like you're out in the woods with the pine. We've got black pepper and maybe even a light hint of mint again from the rye. It is fantastic. It gives us these warm winter vibes. It takes your regular old fashioned and just warms it up for the winter time a tad. And I think it's really fun. I hope you will enjoy it. I do hope you will join us next week for another winter cocktail for January. But tonight, as always, I ask that you please drink responsibly, that you have a fabulous Thirsty Thursday, and go ahead and mix up the Monte Carlo tonight. Cheers.